You know, we've never had an ex-convict on the show. There's got to be a reason why there's so many prison shows on TV right now.
Yeah. I'm not sure I'm really comfortable exploiting Lawrence's unfortunate situation just to boost our ratings.
What? I mean, do you realize how popular Orange is the New Black is? I mean, that is my mother's number 2 favorite show. Of course, behind The Price is Right, that's still number 1. But I just think if you think about this, if you could just discuss what it was like to spend a couple months in the hole, I think our listeners would really dig that.
Well, I only had to go to isolation one time, and that was for telling the sergeant on my tier that George Bush was the worst president ever. I guess he bought a ton of Bush memorabilia on eBay and thought he was going to be rich when he sold it.
Right.
Yeah. Well, the truth is sometimes hard to accept.
Yeah. Well, when you come to Tacoma, Lawrence, we will take you to the Tacoma Art Museum.
Hey. Just remember, everything at the Tacoma Art Museum is tacked down securely. We live in this town, so, make sure you leave with nothing.
Yeah, art forgery is no longer a part of my life, actually. I would like to get into radio, to be honest.
Oh, that's a great idea. Maybe you could be a co-host on this show.
Let me think about that for a while. It's not a bad idea. We could use a little diversity on this program, because take a look around. I mean, we look like we're produced in Salt Lake City.
What are you talking about, Spud?
Well, to be totally frank, it would be nice to have a black person involved in this organization. My God, it's embarrassing.
Spud, Lawrence is white. His parents are from Scandinavia.
Oof, Spud.